but it can't stop kissing. Oh, this is Tootsie, baby.
Oh, okay, all right.
This is Tootsie, baby. Tootsie, baby. This is Tootsie. Take
No,
it.
we don't want it. Look, you ain't gonna be throwing that at me. You ain't gonna be throwing that at me. Yeah, I got to.
Mari, I can't wait until that detective test comes back. What's up, guys? Welcome back to EK Music ENT channel. Right now, guys, this is my mukbang. As y'all can see, man, I am about to throw down. Look, man, look. I done built my little tower and it just fell all the way down. Like I thought I built the twin tower, but it just crashed it. But anyway, guys, this is my 50 piece chicken nugget. Is it chicken nugget? Yeah, 50 piece chicken nugget. I have some wings. I have some chili. I got the chili from Smoky Bones, which is really good. This is my chocolate, 2 containers of chocolate. And I got this Oreo cookie from Smoky Bones. If you guys can see, it's fried Oreo cookie with Rice Krispie on top. And it have cinnamon on it, and it is good. It's real good. So if you are watching this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for supporting me. And make sure you leave a comment. Make sure you like this. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And please share this video. Please share all my videos. I thank you for your support. I will be giving a giveaway soon, so you guys stay tuned for that. This is my mukbang. 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 Muk. Alright, guys, I am about to eat. I am so hungry, as you can see. Okay, I have buffalo sauce. I have 2 containers of buffalo sauce. I love buffalo sauce. This is sweet sugar glaze. I got this from Smoky Bones. And this is just glaze. Go with the wings. I got this from Smoky Bone also. And of course, you know, from Burger King, I went and got a lot of more sauces like barbecue, sweet and sour sauce. I have more buffalo sauce. I love buffalo sauce. Honey mustard. I don't know if y'all like honey mustard or not, but I love honey mustard. I'm gonna eat it. I have a fruit fries, but I'm probably not gonna eat those. Let me just try them out. I don't like eating leftover fries, but hey, these fries are really good. Okay, so we're about to get this thing started with this chicken nugget mukbang. And I think the first sauce I want to start off with, I'm gonna actually try all of these sauces. All of these sauces. I don't know if you guys can see it real good, but I'm just getting this up here. There you go. This plate actually kind of heavy. I'm gonna try all of these, guys, because I want to see what it tastes like. I like trying different stuff. You want? Man, what's going on with this? It's like they super glued the crackers, really. You won't know how other stuff tastes, especially when it comes to sauces, if you don't try them out. So me, I like to try different stuff. I never ate I ate squid before, but it was deep fried, so squid was actually pretty good. Gator is okay. I like eating gator only if it's seasoned right. And of course, seafood. I love me some seafood. Love me some seafood. I'm gonna start off with this buffalo sauce, guys, because it's the best. I just like. That's why I got the Sprite on standby. But yeah, guys, I love me some seafood. Love me some seafood. But I don't suggest to eat seafood in Atlanta, Georgia. Only if you are trying to get some good seafood, like you trying to just, you know, the kind of seafood that make you want to just suck your fingers and stuff. If you try to get that type of seafood with some good seasoning, then it's best if you go to either Florida, Louisiana, or Texas. Atlanta, Georgia, Now, I don't eat soup like that, but smoky bone soup have meat inside of it. Meat, corn, have all that. I'm a meat eater, so anything that got meat in it, I'm gonna eat it. Bruh. Bruh. I don't wanna stop, y'all. I usually save my dessert for last, but I'm gonna go and open up one of these fried Oreo cookies and let you guys see how the inside is. I supposed to warm it up, but I didn't. As you can see, it got Rice Krispie all over it. And if you open it, look at that. Look how look how just good that is. That looks so good. And you actually dip it in the chocolate. So let me open the chocolate. Container full of chocolate, which is not bad. I like chocolate. And you get this from Smoky Bone now. You just dip it in there. And as you can see, you have your fried Oreo cookie along with your cream in the inside and chocolate on the outside with Rice Krispie and cinnamon. So it's amazing. You have to try it. Man, it's good. Now that is good. Whoever came up with that to be so creative, that is so good. I'm not gonna open up all your sauces because well, I am gonna open it up. I'll take that back. I want to eat this sugar glaze. Okay. The brown sugar glaze. That's this one right here. Now don't forget, I got my wings. I only got 3 wings. I love wings. I'm a meat eater. You heard me? A meat eater. Sometimes you want to go hunting and just kill my prey, clean my prey, clean it, season it, and fry it right there in the jungle, in the woods, or whatever, other than just coming back home. I like to do that. Have you guys ever went fishing and you actually caught a catfish, a brim, a perch, a bass, whatever you got fish for, and you actually cleaned it right there on the set and already had the grease hot and ready, seasoned ready to go, cornmeal ready to go, and you was fishing and eating at the same time. Now, some of y'all may be like, oh, that's nasty. That's where you have to have like soap and everything to wash your hand and clean your hands out before you even eat. But if you haven't did that, then I think you should try it. I don't know, it's fun. Like you really have to try it. It's fun. Man, that sauce is so good. That sauce is good. Okay, now let me try just the glazed sauce. Smokehouse can make some good sauce, y'all. I usually have my lemon pepper sauce to go with my my wings, my lemon pepper wet sauce. I get that from American Deli, but unfortunately I don't have it with me right now because I was hungry and ready to eat. Oh man, Lord have mercy. That is good. That is good. Man, make sure you gotta go to Smoky Bone. Smoky Bone, that is really good. And they reasonable. They ain't expensive at all. They're real reasonable. If you can't afford Smoky Bone, then I suggest you to just go buy some eggs from Kroger's and buy some bread from Kroger and make you a egg bread sandwich. Hey, it's food. It's eatable. Mm. I don't like crispy. I like mine to be like soft and juicy. For some reason, I like juicy stuff. But this one right here is crispy. As long as I have some sauce, then I can eat crispy food. From steak, from chicken breast, anything I eat it have to be. I can't let no sauce go. It have to be soft, cooked like medium well. I really don't too much like medium rare because I don't like eating meat too pink. See, that is crispy. I can't even eat that. I told him I didn't want nothing extra crispy. Okay, try to do that too. But if you guys haven't went to Burger King, they have a sale that going on. They come out with it and they'll put it back up, come out with it and put it back up. But right now it's out and they have a sale going on. I think it's 10 pieces of chicken nuggets for $1.49. So if anybody was trying to do a mukbang, then and you're not being picky on what type of food you want to do it with, then and you want to stay at a reasonable price, then I really think y'all should just take like $6, $7 or whatever and go to Burger Queen. They're so good. I'm so good. So good, y'all. I cannot put this sauce down. I can't. Okay. I'm a real eater, so you're gonna hear me smacking on my fingers all the time. All the time. Why? Because I like to eat. This is a stainless steel bottle. I picked this up from Walmart. This right here will actually keep anything that you have inside of it cool. It will keep it real cool so you don't have to leave the drink on the outside and forget to put it in the refrigerator. You know, then it end up getting hot. This right here will actually keep it cold. I had this sitting out for like maybe 3 hours and it's still ice cold right now. That's what I like about these. Now, some of the chicken nuggets I got, some of them was spicy and some of them was regular. And I did that because I didn't know how spicy that they were. So I rather to try them out. But I am getting these spicy ones on top of the buffalo sauce. And the spicy one is actually the different color one on top of the buffalo sauce. So let's try it out. It got a little kick to it. It got a little kick to it, but it's not bad. Now I'm gonna try the regular chicken nugget with buffalo sauce. I like to drown anything I'm eating. I like to drown it up in there so I can get that fully taste. I don't like to just dip. I really have to drown mine. So let's try it out. Okay. I have came to a conclusion. When it comes to the spicy chicken nugget and the regular chicken nugget, when it comes to buffalo sauce, the regular chicken nugget tastes better. Why? Because it's not already spicy and it don't have anything in it to actually take the flavor away from the buffalo sauce. So when I ate it with the spice one, it was already spicy. So I barely could taste the buffalo sauce. But now when I tried it with the regular chicken nugget, it wasn't spicy. So I got that full taste of the buffalo sauce, and it was really good. I actually felt the kick too, y'all. I'm doing it again. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. Well, I don't forget about my chili. Smoky Mama got some good chili, y'all. Some good chili. I like crackers in mine. Ooh. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. 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 This is so good. This is so good. Mm. Mm. Bye-bye, chili. That's it of that. That's gone. Now, right back to these nuggets. They thought I forgot about it. But Mm-hmm. Okay. Whew, I need another drink. All right, guys. Now I want to try the sweet and sour. I got a little glaze up on it. Sorry about that. Sweet and sour. I like sweet and sour sauce. It's good overall. I just don't like eating like too much of it, you know what I mean? It is sweet and sour sauce? Oh, okay. Look a little different. I'm finding out it because I got my receipt. I got my receipt. If I pass out eating this sweet and sour sauce, that gonna be the lottery for me because somebody getting sued. And guess what? Y'all my witness. So we finna try this sweet and sour sauce, y'all. Like I said, when I dip it, I like to dip, put a hump in your back and dip with it, hump in your back and dip. Okay. Spicy nugget and sweet and sour sauce. I don't think it's okay. It's okay. Tastes the same to me. Regular chicken nugget and sweet and sour sauce? Well, let's find out. Once again, the regular chicken nuggets still bring the taste out a lot better. Why? Because I guess it's not spicy. So, let's try honey mustard. Honey mustard is really good. I eat honey mustard on my Subway. I think it is so good on Subway. And I think like that's probably the only thing that I eat honey mustard on is just probably Subway. All right, so this time we're gonna try the regular chicken nugget. So let's just go with the regular chicken nugget first. Like I said, I like to dip, put a hump in your back and dip with it, dip. I'm good. Really can't taste nothing. That's why I don't eat honey mustard like that, so I don't know. It might not be old, I know that. It might not be old. So now let's try with these spicy chicken nuggets. Actually, I give it to the spicy chicken nugget that time because I thought I liked the honey mustard. I guess I don't. I never tasted like, you know, regularly straight up like that, whatever. But with the regular chicken nugget, like I said, with the regular chicken nugget, you got the full effect, you got the full taste of the sauce. For the spice one, I did not get that full taste, but I liked it because I don't like honey mustard like that, I guess, no more. So it actually tastes better with the spicy chicken nugget. Now, here goes something a lot of y'all been waiting on. What a lot of people do, especially black people, is the BBQ, baby. The barbecue, that don't you mess up my barbecue business. Barbecue sauce, baby. You know, hey, that's a black person thing. Yeah. I mean, you got Chinese like barbecue sauce. You got whites. You got Mexican. You got a lot of people that like barbecue sauce and barbecue chicken. Barbecue chicken and barbecue sauce is really popular. The only reason why I like to talk about blacks a lot because we foolish and they ain't got no sense. So we're gonna start with this spicy chicken nugget with the barbecue sauce. So bam, 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 bam. Let's see which one finna taste the best. All right. Like I say, y'all know I like to put a hump in your back and dip with it. Dip, 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 dip. All right, that's enough. But before I eat this, I just want to say, like, for y'all know y'all love barbecue sauce. Stop playing. Here we go. All right. Before I eat this, I just want to say, like, for y'all love barbecue sauce too. All right, I'm gonna eat it now. One more thing. Before I eat this, I just want to say, even Donald Trump loves barbecue sauce. Ah. Mmm. 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 Now, it was okay with the spicy one. It was okay. It was okay. Now we finna try with the regular one. Bam, 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 bam. I ain't done trying this for you. Look, I'm gonna show you how to dip it, Trump. You know, I'm gonna show you how to dip it. I'm quite sure you don't dip it right. All right, Trump. Then you gotta get a lot of it, and until you see it just about to fall. See it about to fall, and before it falls, you gotta catch it like. Yeah. We all know barbecue sauce is real popular. So guess what? That barbecue sauce tastes good with both flavors. The regular flavor and the spicy flavor. Bam. Alright? So we tried that. And of course y'all know I'm not going to be able to try to eat all these chicken nuggets, but I'm finna try. Okay? Now I want to try with the buffalo sauce that actually came from Burger King. This buffalo sauce came from Smoky Bones. This buffalo sauce came from Burger King. So now let's try their original buffalo sauce. It looks different too. It looks like different. And see how it tastes. I'm gonna go with the regular first. You know how we do it. Come on, y'all, say it with me. Dip, dip, dip. Put a hump in your back and dip. With it, put a hump in your back and dip. With it, put a hump in your back and dip. With it, dip, 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 dip. Whoop! All right, y'all. Let's do it. Okay. Okay. Not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. but it don't look healthy. I ain't I ain't hating. I ain't hating on nobody. I'm just saying. Oh no, come back here, Arkansas. Now I'm gonna try with the spice one. I think this one gonna actually taste better with the spice one. Well, it's gonna taste good with both, all because it's their own original buffalo sauce. So let's do it. Put a hump in your back and dip with it. Put a hump in the back and dip. Put a hump in your back and dip. Dip. Put a hump in your back and dip with it. Put a hump in the back and just slide. Y'all gotta get it all up in there. Just slide. To the left, to the left, to the right, to the right, to the front, to the front, to the back, to the back. Now dip chicken nugget. Gonna dip chicken nugget. Oh yeah. Now that I got them good, nice, and juicy, we're about to try them out.
Did you die?
That's good. That is good, y'all. Baby King know what they're doing. But overall, I still like Smoky Bone buffalo sauce. Why? Because it's the real deal. It's a real taste. It don't taste rubbery or fake or watery. It tastes like buffalo sauce. So of course I'm gonna rock with that. That's how y'all clean y'all hands. God, oh, that was good. So I ate my wings, I ate fries, I ate all these nuggets. I'm so full, y'all. I'm not gonna be able to. I'm not gonna be able to make it to eat all of them. But I do want to introduce you to the cookie. Now, y'all saw me ate a piece yesterday. You see that it is a Oreo cookie. The inside is actually melted because it's been fried. Right crispy treats on the top with cinnamon. Amazing taste. Ice cream came with it, but I ate all the ice cream, so unfortunately I don't have none with me at the moment. It does taste pretty good with the chocolate, but it tastes a lot better with the ice cream. So if you go to Smoky Bone and you get this and you ain't got no ice cream, dude, stop it. You gotta have ice cream. Stop playing. Ice cream come with it anyways. And chocolate come with it. But I prefer eating all three together because that what brings the taste out. But we finna try this one more time. Yeah, let me show y'all this cookie. Look at that. Look at that fried Oreo cookie, baby, with the right crispy on top. Now let's just get a good dip. Look at that. Ooh.
Are you here? Oh, come on.
Now it's good. All right, guys. This is boy EK with EK Music ENT. I play the role of Tussie, baby. Y'all know what it is. Make sure you leave me a comment, hit that like button, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you haven't turned that bell on, go on and turn that bell on for your boy, so you can keep a post on everything your boy do. Because I will be posting like every 2 days to every day. I'm right back on it. Once again, next week I will be giving a big shout out to all of the people that have been showing me a lot of love, to my biggest subscribers up on here. I will be giving y'all a shout out, and I will have the link posted right below, so I can be able to support you just as hard as you support me. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and make sure you let me know what you think about the mukbang, Burger King. All right, guys, I'm out. Thank you so much for showing your boy some love, and I'm gonna holler at you on that next video, baby. Peace.
If you a bad, and you about that money, let me see you shake it, and we gon' throw these hands. Drop it low, bend that thing back. If you a bad girl,
What's up, y'all? Welcome to EK World.